सनद बिल्डर्स एंड डेवलपर्स घर स्वप्ना पलीकडचे फ्लैट prices starting at just 14.5 lakh near Dodamarg Court, 800 meters from Goa Maharashtra border.
Yesterday, in the Goa Legislative Assembly, they discussed the national education policy. When that was being discussed, I started thinking, and I spoke to some of the great educationists who have done very well in their field. And after discussing with them various discussions that we took place, I formed a certain opinion on this issue. Now the education policy is talking about our youth. Our Prime Minister is on record to say that we have to have, and we are heading for Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now there cannot be Atmanirbhar Bharat, it has to be a Bharatiya. Every citizen, every Nagrik of this Desh should be self-reliant. India being self-reliant is a very vague topic. Our Chief Minister in Goa, Swayambhurna Goa, or what is the use of Swayambhurna Goa? It should be Swayambhurna Goyakar. And every citizen of this state should be self-reliant. Now, the question is, policies will come, policies will go. They have always come. There will be plus points, there will be minus points. This government is many are saying education that it is having a communal tinge in it. However, I don't want to discuss that education policy. My question is, I have got a question. Having the best, our present education system is not bad in the country. It is being recognized internationally. However, the question that crops up in my mind is, where do our youth, after having completed their education, and they walk out from the educational campuses, can they look forward for an opportunity of being self-reliant? All this time they were being taken care of their parents, guardians, but now suddenly you have done everything. Can you walk out and be self-reliant with a decent job that will give you a decent roti, a decent kapra, a decent makan? Is this there? Policies will come. As I said, it is sometimes like the same wine in new bottles. In my opinion, is required is an employment policy. See, what we need today is a employment policy, a self-employment policy, and a strategy. Where education policy becomes subservient to the employment policy. So when a youth walks out, he doesn't go dejected and frustrated and is confused as to what he is going to do now. He should be able to be self-reliant. This will be Swayambhurna Goyakar. Now, what that education should first instill, where the youth are driven for the love of freedom of choice, for the love of democracy, for the concern and care for the less privileged. Education should not keep the mind caged. It should liberate the mind and not cage it with false nationalism and fake pride for religion, caste. Today we are in an advantageous situation. Not only Goa but India, with the demographic advantage of a young population we have. Now it's an advantage. If only we can make the youth productive and engage them in gainful pursuits. If not, it can be dangerous. It can be the worst liability, with you turning to vices like alcohol, drugs, and being used to drive the passion for religion and caste. These type of youth will become easy targets to carry the communal agenda and fanatical activities. This can be stopped by having a proper employment and self-employment policy. When a youth, after having completed his studies, should be in a position to walk freely with confidence that he is going to have a gainful employment that will make him self-reliant, which I repeat again, that can make him afford to have a decent roti, a decent kapda and a decent makan. This would be Swayambura, Goyakar or Atmanirbhar Bharatiya. It should be a citizen. The interest of the citizen should be topmost if the country and the state has to progress. I think our legislature should also understand that they should stop fooling the youth of this state especially. Now a bill has been moved. So 80% of jobs in the private sector should be kept for Goans. There was earlier, when Luigi Falero was the labor minister, also there was that 70% or 75% should be kept to work. The implementation of this is very difficult. By just moving bill and trying to show the youth that you are doing something will not work. Assuming that 80% it can be implemented, even then hardly 10% of the unemployed youth will be employed. Therefore, a policy of employment and self-employment is a must. Only then our youth can walk out from the campuses of their educational institutions with confidence that they will be able to be self-reliant. What our Chief Minister talks about Swayambhurna Goa, which I call it, should be Swayambhurna Goyakar आणि आमचे तरणाटे भुरगे.
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मुर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
हँडीक्राफ्ट शॉप